Hi friends, welcome back, and today we are going to see a delicious paneer mushroom recipe. This paneer mushroom masala is one such recipe which is so quick and easy to make and tastes super delicious just like restaurant style. And friends, you can enjoy it with roti, naan, zira rice or even with plain steamed rice for a tasty and complete meal. So let's get started with this quick, easy and delicious recipe. And here in this plate I have taken some button mushrooms which has been cleaned, washed and sliced into half like this, and 200 grams of paneer or cottage cheese cut into medium sized cubes. Next we will take a mixing bowl and into it we will add 2 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi. Into this we will add now 1.5 tablespoons of roasted besan or gram flour, some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. We'll mix this once. And now we will add some water into this and mix this really well so that all the ingredients are well combined into a smooth paste. And this is going to form the base of our gravy. And this is ready. We'll keep this aside and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that I have heated some oil in a karahi and into this we will add few cumin seeds or sabut jeera. We'll let them crackle for a while. And now into this we will add 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. And on medium flame we will saute them well until the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away and they turn golden brown in color. And once they turn golden brown in color, we will add into this the puree of 2 medium sized tomatoes. And on medium to high flame, we will stir this well so that the water from the tomato puree evaporates fast. And now into this I'm going to add some salt as per taste and around 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. This will give a nice color to the gravy. We don't need to add any other spices now as we had already added spices in the curd and roasted gram flour mixture which we had prepared earlier. So the onion, ginger, garlic and tomatoes has been well sauteed by now. At this stage we'll add the mushrooms. And on medium to high flame we will stir the mushrooms until they are well sauteed along with the onion tomato base and the mushrooms turn golden brown in color. I'm adding now 1 red chilli and we will stir the mushrooms for another 1 minute or so. And once the mushrooms are well sauteed, we will add the curd and roasted besan or gram flour mixture which we had prepared earlier. And on low flame, we will saute the curd and besan mixture until they are well combined. So the base of our gravy is almost ready. At this stage, we will add the paneer cubes. Keeping the flame on low, we will now stir the paneer for few seconds. And now I'm going to add some water from the bowl where I had prepared the curd and besan mixture. Adjust the quantity of water as per the consistency of gravy you want to make. We'll mix this well once. And now we will cover and let this cook on medium flame for about 6 to 7 minutes. It's almost 7 minutes. Let's check the gravy now. And our gravy looks rich and thick. I'm going to add a little bit of salt as I found the proportion of salt slightly less. A pinch of sugar to balance the taste. Around 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder, which will further enhance the flavor of our gravy, some crushed Kasoori Methi leaves, and some chopped coriander leaves. We'll mix this well and we'll allow the gravy to simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium flame. And friends, our delicious paneer mushroom masala is now ready to be served hot. So friends, do try this delicious paneer mushroom recipe and enjoy with roti, naan, zira rice, or even with steamed rice. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.